Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a document sharing link in OneDrive for Business directly from the portal. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to your OneDrive Business portal where all your files are stored and managed. After signing in, wait a moment while the login process completes. You'll be automatically directed to your OneDrive dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your cloud-stored files. From here, we'll start creating your document sharing link. Since you're using a Microsoft Business account, look at the left navigation menu on your dashboard. Click on My Files to view all the documents and folders stored in your OneDrive for Business. This section displays everything you've uploaded or created, making it easy to locate the file you want to share. Now, locate the specific file you wish to share with others. Once you've found it, click on the checkbox next to the file to select it. When you do this, an action menu will appear at the top of your screen, giving you several options for managing that file. From this action menu, click on Share. This opens up the Sharing Options panel, which gives you full control over how you want to distribute access to your document. At this point, you have two primary methods for sharing your file. The first method is direct invitation. If you want to share the file with specific colleagues, click on the address field at the top of the sharing panel. You'll see a list of your contacts appear automatically. Simply click on each contact individually to add them, and the sharing link will be sent to them directly through their Microsoft account. This method is perfect when you're working with team members who are already in your organization's directory. However, if the person you want to share with isn't part of your contact list, or if you prefer more flexibility in how you distribute the link, use the second method. Click on the Copy Link button located below the address field. This action instantly copies the sharing link to your clipboard, making it ready to use wherever you need it. Once the link is copied, you can paste it anywhere you like. This gives you the freedom to share your document through various channels such as emails, chat applications, or even project management tools. The link provides secure access to your file while maintaining the permissions you've set. And that's it. You've successfully created a document sharing link in OneDrive for Business and now know two different ways to distribute it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.